What's the number one toughest issue in a divorce case? What's the number one question people ask their divorce lawyer? Well, that's an easy question. Who's going to get custody of the children? This is a very emotional question, and it's a very tough answer, but I'm going to try to answer it for you right now. Under California law, before you see a judge, you're entitled to see a mediator and see if you and your spouse can come together and work out a plan that's going to work best for you, your spouse, and your children. But if you can't, then you have the right to see the judge. And when you see the judge, the California Family Code provides us with some very interesting words to help us figure out what's best for the children. The legal standard is called best interests of the children. And what that means is in your particular situation and with your particular children, what works best for them? Where can they live so that they can best thrive in school and their activities? In trying to determine what's best for your children, the court's going to look at their health, safety, and welfare. And the court wants to make orders that provide for their health, safety, and welfare. Under this standard, the judge is trying to figure out which house provides the best opportunity for the children. Perhaps one of the parents is more involved in the children's health care needs than the other, or more involved in their school needs than the other, or is more interested in their extracurricular activities. Perhaps one parent has an addiction problem and at this point in time cannot provide a healthy, safe environment for the children. The third item the judge will look at is what we call frequent and continuing contact. And all this means is that both parents are entitled under California law to frequent and continuing contact with their children. But what that means differs in every single case. Just like the other standards, we're going to look at which parent can best provide for the children. We're going to look at each parent's home environment and each parent's involvement in the children's lives. So these are the issues that when you're putting together your arguments for the judge, and your arguments for the court case, these are the issues you have to bring together and put in your declaration and put together in your evidence to show the judge. And in all of my years as a family lawyer, I've handled thousands of child custody cases. The one thing that I've learned that I really want to tell you is to put together your evidence before you come see your lawyer, and especially before you go to the court. Pull together your children's school records, pull together photographs, pull together statements from clergy or Sunday school teachers, maybe even neighbors. Because if you want to win your child custody case, you've got to show the judge that living with you is in the best interest of your children. If I can help you, please give me a call.